Hello student, today we discuss about the aldol condensation reaction mechanism. So what is aldol? So now we have aldehyde having alpha hydrogen undergo self condensation on warming with dilute or mild base to give a beta hydroxy aldehyde or ketone. So aldol concentration, aldol condensation. At first we take an aldehyde with 2 mole of aldehyde like CH3 CHO, CH3 CHO, CH3 CHO, and 2 mole of aldehyde now react with NaOH as a base, then to form CH3 CH OH CH2 CHO. Now we see the mechanism. At first CH3 CHO CH3 CHO react with base OH minus, that is OH minus from NaOH, OH minus from NaOH, that is NaOH to dissociate Na plus and OH minus. That OH minus react hydrogen to form this. Now this one react with another mole of aldehyde, that is CH3 bond C double bond O bond H. Now that one CH2 CHO attack the carbon center and then oxygen, the bond of oxygen will be break, and now this one is formed and oxygen will be minus, and one H plus ion from H2 in aqueous solution that attach with OH minus ion to form CH3 bond C bond OH CH CH2 CHO, that is beta hydroxy aldehyde. Now aldol condensation reaction has a broad scope. We can these types of reaction from two identical or different aldehyde, two identical or different ketones, and an aldehyde and a ketone. So we now get another example of mix aldol condensation. Aldol condensation, mixed aldol condensation. Now we take an example, 1 mole of aldehyde CH3 CHO and 1 mole of ketone, that is CH3 CO CH3. Now CH3 CHO can be written as this way, CHO. Now one OH minus attack from NaOH, this hydrogen to form this. Now CH2 minus CHO is formed. This one react with CH3 C double bond O bond CH3. Now CH2 CHO attack this carbon center, then the bond of oxygen will be break, and now CH3 single bond C bond O minus CH3 bond CH2 and CHO, and now 1 H plus from H2O solution, aqueous solution, then H plus will be attached with oxygen and it to form CH3 single bond C, bond OH, one CH3, CH2, CH1. That one will be a beta product.